All right, boys, girls, everyone in between, back with some more low heat. Just got in the mail today, and shout out to CCS. And in fact, I am a CCS Plus subscriber. I joined that, I think, when the Chunky Dunkies were coming out in order to improve my chances. And CCS Plus has had a number of drops since, haven't hit on any, and finally I hit on this one. So, although they're not like a $2,000 dunk, they're no Grateful Deads or Chunky Dunkies. I finally did hit on a pair from a CCS raffle, so can't hate too much, can't be greedy. So this essentially paid for that subscription. So shout out to CCS. Used to subscribe to their catalog back in the day. And these are, as you know by the title, the Atmos, air quotes Atmos dunks. These aren't an official collab with them, as you probably know, but they're medium gray, clear jade, black, and the elephant print. So here they are, purple box. Oh, I don't know if you guys can glean anything from that at all, but I don't really care. Oh, here they are. All right, now, again, I have the new Google Pixel 5. The color still seems kind of off in my viewfinder here, so I apologize for that. I'll try to figure that out. But these are an SB dunk, so you got the thick padded tongue, this cool teal, almost kind of a Tiffany, a little more green than like a Tiffany blue, I feel. And these are dope. People are super hyped over these because obviously they're kind of inspired by the Atmos Air Max 1 collab. And they basically have the same color blocking, but on an SB Dunk Low. Now, having these in hand, these are super dope. Very nice. Very nice. That being said, I think I'm going to sell these because in order to pay for a pair of dunks that first dropped this morning that I was lucky to hit on, I hit on the Mallard Turducken Concepts dunk. And so I was somehow copped it manual. So you'll be looking forward to that unboxing in the future. So please, right now, good time to plug. Follow my channel if you haven't already. Follow, subscribe, please, because I will be getting those Concepts dunks in, and I'll be unboxing them here on my channel. And if you like other low heat, I mean, that's some high heat right there. Even these are kind of considered like medium heat. If you want to see other shoe unboxings and reviews, please follow my channel. Again, I kind of focus in low heat stuff because every other shoe reviewer gets everything else. So you have plenty of spaces to see those other shoes. Comes with an extra set of laces there, gray if you're feeling that. I think these are dope. That being said, I just got in. I had another video up. Check it out on the channel. Just posted this yesterday. I just got in these Veneer Ugly Duckling Pack SB re-releases. And I think these are super dope. I was going to sell these in order to pay for more future shoes. But once I had them in hand, this smooth short hair suede, this colorway, I just think it's really hitting. I really like these, so I think I'm gonna keep these. Only $100. God, they're going for not crazy money, but double that. Like $100 for this dope shoe. I'm gonna keep this. I'm not selling this. I came to that decision. I thought I was, but I was able to hit those turduckens retail, even though it was the expensive box. I was able to hit them retail, so I'm not gonna have to pay resale prices, at least as of now, for a pair. So since I don't have to pay resell, I'm not selling these. I'm keeping these. I do think I'm going to sell these because, yeah, as cool as they are, just need to keep buying more heat for the channel. Unbox, pay for all these shoes I own, and yeah, I think they're dope. But I like these other ones better. Also, I got another pair of these coming. I got really lucky. Hit on another raffle. I never hit on multiple raffles like this, so especially for like somewhat hyped pairs of shoes. So I got really lucky on these, and I hit on an Atmos New York raffle for these. So let me know what you think. Do you guys how are you guys feeling about these? Do you like these? Are you more Air Max 1 now guy, or do you like these because now they're in a dunk, or do you prefer these? Do you prefer the Veneer? These aren't SBs, thinner tongue. But they're still, similar silhouette. Which ones do you guys like? This one, this one. Let me know what you think. Do you rock with these? Do you guys have the Air Max ones? I think those are fire. If I had a pair of those, I'd definitely rock and keep those. But yeah, these are going to fund other shoes, specifically maybe specifically the turduckens. Pay for those essentially. So yeah, all right. Follow me. Check out my other videos and other unboxings, and look for. You can look forward to that Turduncan unboxing with a special box in the future. All right, cool.